2020 has been a great year for gaming. Our partners in crime, our keyboards, have turned into makeshift plates and face pillows thanks to the pandemic. What's interesting in this year's Digit 01 award for gaming keyboards is the fact that none of the contenders have Cherry MX keys. For the Digit 01 award, the winner is chosen based purely on its performance, disregarding features, design, build, and price. This year, the HyperX Alloy Origin Score won the Digit 01 award for the best gaming keyboard. The HyperX Alloy Origin Score impressed us with their HyperX red switches, their durability, and the overall superior experience we had while both typing and gaming on them.
Thank you Digit for the honors, really appreciate it. Happy to accept the Digit 01 award for HyperX Alloy Origin Score gaming keyboard. Big thank you to gamers and everyone who has been supporting HyperX over the years now. Thanks once again, stay safe, keep gaming, thank you.
The runner-up for the category was extremely close this time around, losing out by just a hair. The Asus TUF K3 bagged the title of runner-up. The TUF K3 with its scale red switches came closest in terms of performance to the winner, while also being packed with features. For the best buy this year, we have the Ant Esports MK3200, which is a no-frills mechanical keyboard at a very affordable price. Those were the contenders for the gaming keyboards category in the Digit 01 Awards 2020. We'd like to thank all the brands that participated. We saw many products pushing the envelope for innovation this year, and we're looking forward to see what 2021 has in store.